So hello, this is an instructional video about replacing the rollers for a Garador Garamatic door. This is attached to our garage door, and a quick picture of the garage door mechanism, which is up here, and these are the rollers. And the background is that I'm very sorry to say that these rollers have been damaged by the garage door being forced open. Now, we live in a shared community here, and the builders' name may be in the comments, or their subcontractors forced open this garage door instead of asking us to open the garage door while we're away, because they needed to do something with this rendering here. They decided to pull open the garage door, which they managed to do, and in the process they managed to bend these wheels. So this should be a straight wheel, but this is now bent, and so when this rotates it isn't good. And the other thing to note is that on this garage door, this supporting piece of metal needs to be perpendicular to the wall, and in the wrenching this line was actually made not perpendicular. So the way to fix that is to take these screws and adjust this so that the whole mechanism is perpendicular. So that's another thing to look at, but let's get on to the focusing thing at hand, which is these rollers. So there are the old ones, which are warped and still moving, and these are the new ones. They're about £40 each. Okay, let's continue. And the tools we've selected are electric screwdriver, and I think this is about a 10mm hex. We're now going to close the door and do it vertically. The door is in a vertical position, so when we unscrew it, the door isn't going to flop down and hit us on the head. So at the end of the track is a slight widening, and that allowed us to pull out the old wheel, and therefore we can fit the new wheel in here with a bit of pushing and shoving. Okay, pushing and shoving. In. Just got to screw it back here. Okay, so we've put both rollers back on. Just those 3 screws are tightened up. You have to access it via the hole. There's kind of kink at that end. Okay, so both rollers are on, everything should be completed. Both rollers are replaced. Let's press the opening button. So as you can see, the door opens quickly and it opens smoothly. That's it, thanks for watching.